Hello. Here I'm going to discuss, right? So, how to convert Windows Forms applications to a web-based applications, right? So, using a modern framework called Wise.net. So, let me go and show the Windows Forms application, which I have developed for this demonstration purpose. It's a very simple Forms applications, which is going to show hello. Yeah, that's all. Right. So I'm going to migrate this application as a web-based application using a WiseJ.net framework. So already I have installed the components, right? The extension, what is required for uh, WiseJ.net, right? Let's go and show if I have something. Yeah, so you can see here, right? So WiseJ.net. So if you need, you can go and install. And this needs a license, so they provide the trial license, so you can go and activate the trial license, and we can start using it for the exploration purpose actually. Okay, so that I'm not covering as part of this particular demo. Let me go and add the web-based project, right? So what we need to where we will converting this thing, right? So the Windows Phone application. Here I have voice.net option, right? So I have, so we have something called voice.net web desktop application. Yeah. So this is the one. This is the template we need to choose in order to migrate this particular Windows Phone application as a web-based applications. Let me just select next. YSJ, call it as ysj.hello web app. Just call it like this. So let me go and create the project. So yeah, so I'm not going to select anything over here, yeah, as it's going to demonstrate things. Yeah, yes. Okay, cool. Let's get into the. Let me go and set this as start page and see how this application uh, looks. Okay, so just without debugging, I'm going to run this application to see how the web application is going to look basically, right? So you can see here, right? So there is a it looks like a Windows form, and this is called the desktop basically, right? The background part, right? It's called a desktop and voice thing. Right? You can maximize, you can minimize. Yeah, if you want it back, you can click this little back. You can close this. Yeah, it's gone. Right? So if you want it back, I have to refresh. I think right? It's gone. It's not stage. Yeah. So let me close this. Okay. So yeah, this is where you can go and read more about voice.net. Okay, and there is another site where I can go. Wise.com, right? Rapid.net web development. Yeah, you can go and download your trial version from here, right? So in order to use it. Yeah, this has more and more things in it. So I'm just demonstrating only the migration part of the uh, Windows Forms application to web application. Right? So yeah. So what I'm going to do is now, okay. So this is the desktop, right? So what I have shown over there, right? So it's a desktop part component, right? So what I have already shown on the browser, okay. So if you go and see here, we have, yeah, then the main program we are invoking the window one, and just we are calling it show method to show the window on the desktop. So that's what this code is doing. So we have a window, right? So window is created, and you can see it is derived from wisejweb.form, right? But if you go and see our WinForm application, that is also derived from form, okay, but it's from Windows form, okay. Now, just what I'm going to do is simply I'm going to copy this form, and I'm going to paste it over here in this project, okay. Now, let me go and open this, okay. So, and ignore and continue. I'm going to click, then yeah, I'm going to the code behind. Yeah, so we don't have Windows Form here. So what we need to use here is, so we have ysj.web, the namespace which has the form class. Okay, so I'm going to remove all these unused namespaces. Then we have the code, the auto generated file. So there also we need to make some fixes. The fix one is, yeah, we need to replace all this windows.forms namespace with ysj.web. So yeah, so here is also I need to change. Maybe this one I can remove it. This property is not there, so I can remove this. For time being, I can go and comment this out. Then yes, here we have another reference of Windows form. I'm replacing everything. Right. Okay, cool. It's done. Now let me go to code behind. Yeah, I think it's all fine here. Let me go and build this. Let's see whether, yeah, yes, we are successfully built, and we have migrated the Hello WF app, Windows Form application, as a web form application. Right. So it's a web application, not a web form. It's a web application. So the pending thing is, let's go to the program and yeah, change this to var. Okay, and this is going to be, yeah, I'm going to create the object of my hello form, and I'm going to show that, right? So let me go and build this. Yes, it's built successfully. Let me go and run the application and see it on the browser. Yeah, now yes, the WinForm application is just showing on the web. All right, so on the web, right? So using Wise.net framework, right? So we're able to convert that, right? Let me go and click on the say hello. See, yeah, it's showing the message box, right? How it was showing there in WinForms. Okay, let me go and run this side by side and start a new instance. Say hello. Yeah, it is showing hello Bilal here, right? Same thing, right? It's showing over here. Uh, I have taken this small use case to demonstrate what changes we need to do when we migrate it, right? Maybe all big applications also we can change it in the similar manner, right? So without any issues, right? So only the namespace maximum we need to change it, right? So this is going to save us a lot of time, right? Migrating WinForm application as a web-based applications, right? So yeah, if the application is not properly built based on the layers and everything is done and the code behind, so that application we want to migrate as a web-based application in a quicker turnaround time, yeah, maybe we can take up this particular approach to convert that application as a web-based application, and we can host it on the cloud, uh, yeah, wherever we want. Okay, so this concludes the demo. Thank you everyone for watching this, yeah, demo. Thank you very much. Bye.